Hi there, Scorpio. Let's check out the messages. Let's see some. Okay, okay. I'm taking these. Peace, relationship, third party. Okay, selfhood, sexuality, regret. I'm seeing that I'm just sensing the energy. Your person is just focusing. Maybe you and your person are in separation. Okay, they are regretting this. They are missing the peace and abundance as they feel with you. Okay, maybe due to third party you broke down. They are regretting this. Third party can be another person, maybe their family, friends, or some other responsibilities in life. They give priority to something else than you. Okay, they are regretting it now, and they are missing the peace and joy and abundance which you bring them in their life. With Empress, you see, they see you as abundance queen, the Empress. Okay, with this we also see that they are missing the peace and abundance you bring into their life. They are selfing, they are focusing on their self. Okay, selfhood, grounding their energy. They are working on self love, and so they are regretting it. Maybe they get rid of that third party. Okay, with Moon we are seeing here deceptions and hidden secrets. They are gaining the strength. With strength we with Leo energy, they are gaining the strength and courage to come towards you, to see you and share with you some things are hidden from you, which may come into light. They are gaining the courage. Sexuality, they feel the sexual attraction towards you. Okay, and they want a relationship with you, a peaceful with Fool, a peaceful new beginning. With Fool, I'm seeing that they are wanting a new peaceful beginning. Bring the relationship and unionship in this relationship. They want a relationship with you. Okay, they are working on it. They are with Magician, they are manifesting this relationship with a new star. With Fool, they are coming towards you. With Moon, we are seeing this is hidden from you. Something is hidden from you. Maybe this new beginning. Okay, with Wheel of Fortune. Okay, it is a destined connection. They feel like it is a destined connection. Universe is bringing you both together. With this Fool, they are manifesting this new beginning, gaining strength. They see you as Empress, abundance, beautiful queen coming towards you. This is a secret from you. You don't know about this yet. Okay, okay, let's see. Let's grab some more messages. Okay. That smile. They love your smile. Okay. Tum Sahi, with you. Everything is with you. This is a beautiful song. I don't know how to show you I love you. Okay, they are non-expressive, but they love you. They don't know how to express this. Tune jo na kaha, whatever you didn't said, I was listening that. Lifeline. They see you as their lifeline. Okay. Time apart, some distance will bring clarity. Maybe this distance, you and your person are in separation. Okay, with beginning with Fool, I'm seeing that you and your person are in separation. They are saying that this bring clarity to them, that they with this distance they realize how much you mean to them, and this make them clear. So they are saying that this distance bring clarity to them, what they need the most in their life. Will you forgive me? Okay, due to third party you got separated. They are regretting, and they are wondering that if you will forgive them or not. You make my fears melt away. You make their fears melt away. You turn their fears into strength. Even I'm non-committal. At that time it was past energy I'm sensing. In past they were non-committing and they don't know what to do. Now they are grounding their energy, balancing their life. I miss you and I want to see you soon. Okay, they are missing you and want to see you soon. Maybe due to quarantine we are apart and we can't see many people. They are missing you and want to see you. Okay, let me try. Okay, these are too much. Okay, I'm taking these all. I think we should slow down. In the past they thought that this is too fast and so much passion towards, they never felt this type of connection before, so they thought that it should slow down. You hacked my heart, you are heart hacker. I hear your voice, but it can't stop my pain. Maybe you are social worker, or maybe you are posting on something on social media, Instagram, Facebook Live, and they hear your voice, but it can't stop their pain. The the only way to stop their pain is to hold you in their arms, and that you and two will be together. That's what makes their pain felt away, far away from them. Okay, it can make, I can make you feel loved. They want to make you feel loved because you are lovable. I'm broken inside here. Maybe they are pretending that they are happy, but they are broken inside. Their heart is broken. Okay, okay. Aaja Aaja Sajna. This is a beautiful Hindi song. Come, my love, come. I am seeing your way. Aaja. This is a beautiful, and the way you look at me, I can't forget your stare. The way you stare at me, I love the smile. The way you smile at me, that smile can't be forgotten. Come, my love, come. It is a beautiful Hindi Urdu song. Okay, I'm just translating you because it's a beautiful song. Somebody dreams about you every single night. They dream about you every single nightmare. I'm sensing that they are stalking you and saving every picture you post on Instagram, and they are seeing you, and they maybe they are making collage. Okay, joining yours and their picture fixed together, and they are just dreaming that one day you two both will be together. You are the last thought and the first thought of them or of their life. Okay, when they go to sleep they think of you, when they wake up they think of you. That's all they love. That's all they do. You take care of me and stand by my side whenever I'm ill. Maybe when you both will be together, you take care of them the way no one will there, when no one was there, and when they were ill, mentally, emotionally, whatever. But it was really nice. I will choose you to the end of the world. I will chase you to them. They can't stop chasing you. They love you unconditionally. To the end of the world, they will chase you. I want you so badly. Okay, they want you so badly. Yeah, we are seeing the energy. They are with magician. I'm seeing that they are manifesting a new beginning. This is hidden from you with moon. Okay, and with wheel of fortune, they are manifesting and asking the God or universe to bring this justice and a relationship, a union to be with you. They see you as their empress. Okay, they want you so badly. They want to see you. They are missing you. Okay, will you forgive them? They're wondering. They are broken inside why they did that. Okay, you take care. They love the way you care, the nurturing energy of you, Scorpio. That's, they will chase you to the end of the world. This distance bring clarity to them what you mean to them. They want you so badly. They can't. They dream of you every single night. They don't know how to now show you that they love you. You are heart hacker, and they love that smile. Okay. Okay. You met their fears and you turned their fears into strength. They want to make you feel love because you are lovable. They are non-committal. They know that in the past they were non-committal, but now they are ready with you. Everything is with you. Whatever you didn't say, they know that. They see you as their lifeline. Okay, let's grab some more messages from here. Okay, this one wants to come out. Would you dress up for me? They want to see you getting ready for them, makeover and everything for them, only them. Those magnetic, mysterious eyes, they love your eyes maybe. And when soulmates or twin flames see into their eyes, that they see the sparkle, the shine, and that attraction is undeniable, and that is so magical that they felt with you. Okay, I will never be happy if I can't be with you. They want you so badly, as we in other card we see that they won't be happy if they can't be with you. I dreamed about you a lot. They dream about you a lot. They imagine you theirs. You are perfect. For them, you are perfect. Okay. Let's grab some letters. Okay. Okay, enough. Okay, what they are saying. I miss you even you are in the next room. Even this much distance they can't bear. Even if you are in next room, they can't bear this distance. Okay. I feel at ease when I am with you. When they were with you, they were at so much peace. Their mind, their emotional, mental, everything is in balance, and they feel in so much peace. They are missing the peace, as we see that with this, with peace. They are missing that peace. Fear of losing. Now they are rushing back towards you because it's too much time. You both were in separation. They are fearing now of losing you. Maybe someone else may steal your romantic feelings. Okay, travel the world. They dream of you, and they are dreaming what they want to travel the whole world with you. Okay. Deep connection. Yeah, they felt the deep connection with you. They think that it is soulmate or something special and magical. When they look into your eyes, your smile, that make them magic. Okay, with you it's just like magical. Everything is magical. You don't need to talk to each other. You just are sitting quietly, but it's felt magical. You both feel each other when you are in same room. Sleeping alone just sucks. They want to hold you in their arms, and they want to sleep peacefully. That thing only make them happy. They dream about you a lot every single night. Okay. Depression. Yeah, they are now regretting, but they are getting rid of depression. I'm not feeling that much depressive energy here, as they are manifesting a new beginning with Fool, but they are now regretting, but now they want a relationship with you. Love is the game. Okay, they think that love is a game and they didn't play it well. Okay. Soul bond. Okay, yeah. Soul mate. They think that you are a soul mate. You both feel each other even you are apart. It's not like separation. You always take my pain away. Okay, you take their pain away by just doing something crazy things and loving them, taking care of them when they are ill. Let's make them happy. Okay, that's all. Oh yeah, a love letter from your person. Let me take this one. 7 billion smiles, and yours is my favorite. There are 7 billion smiles in this world, but yours is just their favorite. I will wait in the name of it. They will always wait for you, because this love is unconditional. They can't deny and run from their feelings. This distance bring them clarity what you meant to them. You are irreplaceable, and you are their love of life. It doesn't cost you anything. Just hit this subscribe button below. We work really hard. Okay. Okay, let's take these messages. I feel like home. I never felt known. Okay, they feel like home with you. Souls can't go back to those who feel like home. Okay, I'm obsessed with your body, sexuality. They feel a attraction and passion towards you. It's soulmate and twin film connection. When we see each other, we can't resist. That's why they are obsessed with you. I'm too afraid to talk. Okay, they are regretting and they don't know how to show you that they love you so much. You already know how I feel. Yeah, you both know that you both feel each other. You are really intuitive queen with Empress. They see you intelligent, so you know how they feel about you. In you, I see the depth of my live streaming. Without you, when you were not in their life, they were just purposeless and meaningless life. They were living a player kind of, or whatever they're doing, but there was no mission and nothing to achieve. Okay, but in you they find the depth of true meaning of their life. 1010, maybe you are synchronizing this number with you, or you are seeing this angel number. This love scares me. This was too intense at that time. Maybe it is past energy I'm feeling. This scared them away. Okay, they never felt it before. Self-worth. My inner demons are my worst enemies. I'm trying to find my own thoughts. Okay, they are balancing and self-worth with seen that with self-worth they are just balancing their and grounding their energy to come towards you. With magician manifesting a new beginning with you. Okay, gaining the strength and courage to bring a new beginning with you. The signs that I'm seeing here are, okay, Leo energy is here, Pisces energy, water signs, fire signs. Yeah. Okay, that's all from my side. Bye.